What's good, everyone? This is the Crypto Captain back with a new video on the crypto markets, so let's get right into it. So if we have a look on CoinDesk's recent article, they say Bitcoin's poised for strongest weekly gains since Trump win as ETFs gobble $2.7 billion of inflows. SUI, BCH and Hedera HBAR led Friday's gain in the CoinDesk 20 index, with one analyst saying the week's crypto rally is likely the beginning of BTC's climb to fresh record prices. I think this is a good take on the current market condition, and that ETFs are actually propping up Bitcoin's price, and it's going to enable more cash flow and cash reserves to go and flow into Bitcoin. So that's what we've been seeing this cycle. A lot of ETFs also propping up the price, seeing very strong support on the 50 weekly moving average. And when there's more confidence with investors and more confidence in the market and the overall economic state of the global economy, and when inflation is on a steady decline, as is at the moment, we see investors gain more confidence, gain more risk on assets like Bitcoin, like altcoins, and we see a steady move to the upside after a very turmoil event occurs, like the Trump tariffs. And huge news as Bitcoin becomes the 5th largest global asset and surpassing Google's market cap. As Bitcoin surges past the higher ranks of global giant tech, more eyes are seen on Bitcoin and its monetary value in the economy. As you can see, Bitcoin became the world's 5th largest asset by market cap, reaching $1.86 trillion and overtaking Google. This is huge. Rising optimism from easing US-China trade tensions and a broader tech rally pushed Bitcoin over $94,000, breaking key technical levels and outperforming the Nasdaq. I mean, Bitcoin's outperforming the Nasdaq. Now, when it comes to a technical analysis on Bitcoin currently, we can clearly see that Bitcoin broke my downtrend channel that was very strong for a number of months, roughly three months, and we're seeing on the Bollinger Bands is breaking up to the upside, clearly breaking away from the blue line here and retesting the red line, and we're seeing a bit of struggle from roughly 95.5k resistance, and we may see a short-term small consolidation perhaps to this support line I've got here at 90.4k. There seems to be a lot of buy orders and buying pressure here, but the important thing is that this descending triangle, it could have carried on consolidating to 72k, 73k support level that a lot of people anticipated. But when the whole market anticipates, Bitcoin going to 70, 60k, the market makers don't want that, and we saw Bitcoin bottom at 74.6k, and a huge reversal subsided. So now we're looking to see if Bitcoin can retest the 100.4k level, and if we just break here clean and we close above here, we're clearly looking for retest of the all-time high and perhaps a small consolidation before continuing higher with global liquidity breaking a new all-time high. In the previous cycles, last 2 cycles, we've seen global liquidity retest the support line and absolutely propel to new all-time highs, and that's when Bitcoin and the whole crypto market goes absolutely parabolic. So that's what I am anticipating in the current situation. When it comes to Casper, currently in the market, we're seeing a small consolidation from the push up to 11 cents, and Casper seems to be holding a strong support at my level at 0.0984 cents roughly. Now, this up movement has been an uptrend, and it's clearly broken away from the long downtrend that had been continuing for a number of months since 2025 beginning. But now what I'm anticipating is either we find strong support for Casper at this support line and we continue the Elliott wave structure to the upside from this 0.057 cents bottom, double bottom that we saw 3 weeks ago. And usually wave 3 is the strongest wave where we could see very parabolic moves. So it's only a matter of being patient now and seeing what plays out. Even if we see short-term consolidation to perhaps the 0.09 support level or even the 0.083 support level, I believe that Casper will continue its uptrend and it won't break any higher lows that it makes. So just need to keep an eye on it, be patient with the market, but I still believe Casper is absolutely undervalued for the asset it is currently, and we need to wait and see Casper retest the 0.129 cent resistance band. That's the major one that needs to break in order to retest the all-time high and go into price discovery therefore. Thank you for watching today's episode. If you've liked the content today, please remember to like and subscribe for regular updates on the crypto market, crypto news, and technical analysis. So I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.